Welcome to our channel. Today we are going on an exciting adventure into the mysterious world of mushrooms. Buckle up, because the last fact we share will blow your mind.
Did you know that mushrooms are more closely related to animals than to plants? While they grow in the earth, their genetic makeup shows similarities to that of animals.
There are over 10,000 known species of mushrooms, and scientists believe that there are at least 100,000 more still undiscovered.
The largest living organism on Earth is actually a fungus. A honey fungus in Oregon spans over 2,385 acres beneath the forest floor.
Grow in a variety of environments, including tropical rainforests, temperate forests, and even deserts. This adaptability allows them to thrive in many ecosystems.
Some mushrooms can glow in the dark due to a phenomenon called bioluminescence, caused by a chemical reaction involving luciferin. The term mycology refers to the study of fungi, including mushrooms. Mycologists dedicate their careers to understanding these fascinating organisms.
Mushrooms produce spores instead of seeds, and these tiny spores are dispersed through the air, leading to the growth of new mushrooms.
In addition to being edible, many mushrooms have medicinal properties, and certain varieties have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. The infamous death cap mushroom is one of the most toxic mushrooms in the world and can be deadly if ingested.
Mushrooms can actually communicate with each other through an underground network of mycelium, functioning like a natural internet. Some species of mushrooms, such as truffles, are highly sought after and can fetch hundreds or even thousands of dollars per pound.
Did you know that you can find mushrooms growing on every continent except Antarctica? They truly are a global phenomenon. Certain mushrooms are known to have psychedelic properties and have been used in spiritual and religious rituals by various cultures. Mushrooms can provide essential nutrients such as vitamin D, B vitamins, and antioxidants, making them a nutritious addition to our diets. The button mushroom, which is the most widely cultivated mushroom, originates from Europe and is a culinary favorite worldwide.
While some mushrooms are edible, many are inedible or toxic, which is why mushroom foragers should always be cautious and knowledgeable. The unique shape of a mushroom cap helps protect its spores from rain and other elements, ensuring successful reproduction. Some mushrooms can grow incredibly quickly, with certain species doubling in size within just 24 hours.
Mushrooms contain chitin, a unique compound also found in insect exoskeletons, making them an interesting study in biology. In Japan, mushrooms play an essential role in culinary traditions, with shiitake and enoki mushrooms being favorites in many dishes.
Reishi mushrooms are sometimes called the mushroom of immortality due to their reputed health benefits in traditional Chinese medicine.
Liverworts, an ancient plant group, have been found to have a symbiotic relationship with certain mushrooms, showcasing nature's interconnectedness.
Fun fact: mushroom spores can survive radiation levels that would be lethal to humans, demonstrating their resilience. In the world of bioengineering, scientists are exploring the use of mycelium to create sustainable packaging materials.
The simplest way to identify edible mushrooms is to learn to recognize their color, shape, and smell, as well as their habitat.
Fungi play a critical role in ecosystems as decomposers, breaking down organic matter and returning nutrients back to the soil.
Some mushrooms can even break down plastic and pollutants, highlighting their potential in environmental remediation.
The psychedelic properties of mushrooms are being studied for their potential benefits in treating mental health disorders.
Just like trees, mushrooms can form beneficial partnerships with plants, creating mycorrhizal relationships that aid in nutrient absorption. Mushrooms are not only fascinating but can also be a sustainable food source, needing less water and energy to produce than many animal proteins.
Did you know that mushrooms have been around for over 500 million years? They've seen the rise and fall of countless species. The unique colors of mushrooms can indicate their toxicity level, with the most vibrant colors often found in poisonous varieties. In Russia, mushroom hunting is a beloved pastime, with families often foraging together during the summer months.
Finally, here's the mind-blowing fact we promised. There are some scientists who believe mushrooms may hold the key to life on other planets.
Thank you for joining us in the remarkable journey of mushrooms. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.